Alright everybody, what is good on YouTube? It is your boy Moody and you are watching Moody TV, and as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, what should we get into today? So we talking about these Union Jordan 1 Chicago / Shadows, whatever you want to call them. Look, these came out like a little while ago. I want to say like a couple weeks. There were people that were able to locally pick these up in Los Angeles locations, a few different locations on that west side of the United States. And they also did a raffle online, which is what I hit on here today. So we're going to start off with the tag. This is what the tag says here, and the tag is going to read Varsity Red Black Cell, Varsity Rogue, Voila Noir, however you said this. This is in my size 11.5. Without further ado, we're gonna talk about this box, man. So as you can see from the box, we have that red Jumpman located in the center here. We have different memorabilia, drawings, mock-ups that Tinker Hatfield has made for different Jordan sneakers that he has also produced as well. So you have those different iconic moments within Jordan's career all across the top of the box. On this side, 1985 Air Jordan 1. And when you open up, you have the Nike box underneath it, as if it was a normal Jordan 1 box. And then when we pop the top off of this thing, you are greeted with some Jordan Union paper. So it says Jordan Union. Talks about the laces, OG Air Jordan 1 bottom, energy, box lid, whole bunch of different stuff there. And then when you peel that off, that goes around, it does go around the whole entire outer paper layer. So we're gonna peel that back so we can get to the nitty gritty, which is the Jordans themselves. They do have the extra wrapped up, and as you can see it kind of peeking through. We're gonna take it out of the paper one by one, individually. And then we're gonna sit the box to the side. The box, I can say, is very nice. I like how Union does their boxes. And bam, we have the Union Jordan 1 High Chicago Shadows. I'm gonna put this paper to the side. Let's talk about them. You know, when it comes to a regular guy like me, it's very, very few and far between when I get we can say a limited sneaker drop like this. And Union Jordan 1s, what can I say? This is a very solid colorway from the people over at Union. So the people over at Union did the big one with this. Quick little sniff test. And yep, smells like a Jordan 1 for sure. Let's take a look at this pair first. So from the Jordan hang tag on one side, it has Jumpman. I don't know if I can get it on camera, but it is like kind of lifted. It's like a plastic piece that's lifted off of there, and underneath it, it has like a frosted Union signature on the bottom of the Jumpman there. On the other side, you have like this plain blue, very flat to the surface, but you do get that indentation from where the Jumpman logo is, so you can kind of feel the indentation there if you did get your hands on these. Let's start with the laces. You get 3 different sets of laces, and I want to say that they are multicolored, so I'm gonna have to pull it out here a little bit, but it is a lot going on here with this lace system. They are two-tone laces. So with the black, you also have the gray at the top. So when you lace it up, black will be at the bottom. Gray is around the heel or the ankle area. Just yellow, and then you have just sail. So the only two-tone laces that you get is gonna be that black with the gray. I'm gonna tuck in these laces, but before we do that, we're gonna take a look at the insole. So the insole here, you do have this. You do have where it says Union, has different meanings there. You can pause and take a look at that. Size 11.5 men's size sticker. Seems pretty soft to the touch. Feel like these are gonna be very comfortable on feet, but that's on that one. And then on the other insole, this is what the other ones look like. So when you put them both together, this is what the insole should look like. This is the one from the left shoe. You have the lace with the midsole tongue, just basically breaking down how they constructed this shoe, which I feel like is a great touch. Outside of that, that is the insole. We're gonna put them back into the shoes. Nothing else inside of there. As you can see, the jumbo mess is all put away. Let's go ahead and talk about the tongue here. So from the Nike Air tag, it does kind of feel like a recycled paper material, where it has Nike here on the front. You'll have this right in there if you want to pause and take a look at it. you can do that as well. The tongue is stitched in half, so on this bottom part you kind of have like this off-white kind of tone to it. Blue stitching that kind of matches the hang tag as well, like a light blue Carolina blue stitching, and then the top part is going to be black. That is the tongue. On the top part of the ankle, this is like a soft, light, hairy suede material. Real nice. You do have buttery, soft, textured leather around the ankle area. On the middle panel, you do have, it's kind of like a, it's not super sail, but it is kind of like a slight off-white. It isn't like super bright white, but it is like a slightly off-white. Does complement the yellow on the internal lining of the shoe. Midsole here is going to be all sail. You take a look at the outsole, all red outsole here on the Union Jordan 1s. Before we move on, you can't forget that Union LA patch right there underneath the Wings logo. So can't forget that. That's going to be right there on the Wings logo, right underneath it. And outside of that, when I tell you the quality on these things is immaculate, I don't see any glue stains by any chance. Very well put together shoe, very soft leather. I would say if I was going to keep these, I don't know yet, y'all. That'd be the thing when it comes to me and sneakers. It'd be, am I gonna keep it? I mean, of course I'm gonna keep it for a little while, but yeah, the Unions, my first pair of Union Jordan 1s. I have the Union Cortezes, but I got them in too small of a size, so never ended up wearing those. Still have them, don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I gotta figure that out. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all was to get your hands on these whenever they do drop on sneakers, because apparently we're supposed to get a sneakers drop. It hasn't popped up on my end yet for the sneakers app, but apparently it's supposed to be March 18th. Today's Sunday, March 16th, so hopefully by the time you see this, it's before these sneakers drop, so you can prepare yourself for that. Hopefully give you another opportunity to be able to get your hands on these, especially if you don't have a Chicago colorway already. Look, if you ain't get the Lost and Founds, look, it's your next best thing. They're around the same price right now too, so you can't really beat that. But I do want to see in the comment section below what y'all think about the Union Jordan 1s. Like I said, I didn't want to take up too much of your time. Just talking about the shoes real quick. Did you personally get a pair? Are you looking to pay resale? Are you looking to get a trade-off for something that you already have? Y'all let me know in the comment section. We'll see if these end up hitting the toe or not, or if I end up finding a different shoe. I would really like to get some Travis Scotts. I have not gotten any Travis Scotts yet, so I'm hoping, if anything, if I can trade these for a Travis Scott Jordan 1 low, like if they go up in price enough, hopefully I can make a trade-off with that, and then finally get my hands on a pair of Travis Scotts. That's the only thing that I don't have, especially when it comes to Jordans. As a Jordan collector, I don't have any Travis Scott collaborations, so hopefully that changes. Outside of that, it's your boy Moody. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully, if these do drop on sneakers, you are able to get your hands on these as well. Y'all let me know in the comment section as well, what is your most anticipated sneaker for this year? We've already had some releases that's already passed. What's your most anticipated sneaker that we have gotten rumors of, confirmations of, that we know is going to be dropping later on in 2025? Y'all let me know in the comment section. But outside of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for all things sneaker. We also have a travel channel, so you want to make sure that you following that too if you want to see more lifestyle, more, you know, relaxed content. We got some over there. I got some videos pumping out on that channel as we speak. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here and I'm gone. Go ahead and enjoy your day. All right.